Welcome to JH. Nature's Truth Collagen Gummies have been popping up in every conversation lately, mostly because they offer a tasty strawberry or mixed fruit chewable that lets you skip the joyless experience of swallowing giant pills or messy powders. Because let's face it, we're all basically toddlers who need a candy reward just to take our vitamins. Reviewers are raving about the flavor and texture, describing it as eating candy without the soul-crushing guilt, which makes sticking to a daily beauty habit surprisingly easy. Users claim their hair and skin feel significantly healthier and more hydrated, turning a boring supplement routine into something that feels both indulgent and dependable. It's the perfect way to feel productive while essentially just having a snack. Beyond the sugar-coated appeal, plenty of people are reporting real-world benefits like stronger nails, glossier hair, and smoother skin. Even though these gummies only pack type 1 and 3 collagen, fans are still seeing subtle improvements in firmness and nail growth, praising the convenient form factor for making maintenance a breeze. However, there are a few caveats worth mentioning before you clear the shelves, as some shoppers ended up more disappointed than a kid getting socks for Christmas. A significant number of reviewers on Target have flagged that while the product is curiously labeled as vegan, it actually contains bovine collagen. Apparently, someone forgot to tell the marketing team that cows aren't exactly made of plants, making the labeling feel a bit more than just misleading to the meat-free crowd.